Have you been thinking about adding more storage and workspace to your kitchen without spending a fortune? In this video, we've rounded up the 8 best budget-friendly mobile kitchen islands that deliver great value for the price. Stay until the end to find the one that best fits your space, needs, and budget. As always, you'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Kicking off the list at number 8, we have the Grusign Mobile Kitchen Island, a practical option for anyone who needs extra storage without spending a premium. What makes this one stand out is how much it manages to fit into a relatively compact footprint. Inside, you'll find spacious cabinets for cookware, dishes, or pantry items, while the built-in door racks are perfect for spices, bottles, or frequently used ingredients. The wide wooden countertop gives you plenty of room to prep meals, serve snacks, or even create a casual breakfast station when guests come over. Thanks to its smooth rolling wheels, you can easily move it wherever you need extra workspace and lock it in place once it's positioned. It also includes a handy towel bar that doubles as a side handle for easier mobility. While the finish is fairly simple, the combination of generous storage, portability, and everyday convenience makes it a solid choice to kick off this ranking. Coming in at number 7 is a mobile kitchen island that brings a little more flexibility than you might expect at this price. Its standout feature is the extendable tabletop, which gives you extra space whenever you're preparing meals, enjoying breakfast, or serving guests, then folds away when you need to save room. That makes it a particularly smart choice for apartments or smaller kitchens where every inch counts. Beneath the countertop, you'll find a roomy cabinet and open shelves that keep everything from cookware to small appliances neatly organized and within easy reach. On the side, narrow pull-out storage racks are ideal for bottles, condiments, or canned goods, helping you make better use of space that often goes to waste. Lockable wheels let you move it around effortlessly and keep it securely in place once you've found the perfect spot. It may require a bit more assembly than simpler models, but the clever design, generous storage, and space-saving versatility easily earn it the number 7 position in this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Halfway through the countdown, this Concho Mobile Kitchen Island earns its place by focusing on durability and everyday functionality. Instead of a standard wood surface, it features a stainless steel countertop that's incredibly easy to wipe clean and much better suited for serious food preparation. If you cook often, bake regularly, or simply want a surface that can handle daily use without much maintenance, that's a feature you'll appreciate over time. Storage is another strong point, with spacious drawers for utensils, large cabinets for cookware, and convenient racks built into both doors to keep spices, sauces, and bottles neatly organized. The open shelves make it easy to grab frequently used appliances without constantly opening doors, while the locking casters let you reposition the island whenever you need more room. It isn't the most compact option in this lineup, but for families or home cooks looking for extra workspace and impressive storage capacity, it delivers outstanding value and comfortably secures the number 6 spot. Taking the number 5 spot, this Grusign Mobile Kitchen Island is a great example of how a simple design can still make a big difference in your daily routine. If your kitchen constantly feels cluttered, having 3 spacious drawers for utensils, kitchen tools, and linens, along with a large cabinet for pots, pans, or small appliances, can instantly help create a more organized space. The generous wooden countertop gives you plenty of room to chop vegetables, prepare meals, or even set up a coffee station without sacrificing your existing counters. A side spice rack keeps your most used seasonings close at hand, while the towel bar adds another practical touch that you'll probably use every day. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to reposition the island whenever you need extra space, and the locking casters keep everything stable once it's in place. It doesn't offer as many premium extras as some higher-ranked models, but its excellent balance of storage, mobility, and affordability makes it an easy choice for the middle of this countdown. At number 4, we have a model that has remained a popular choice for years, and it's easy to understand why. This Homcom Mobile Kitchen Island combines a timeless cabinet-style design with practical features that genuinely improve everyday cooking. The stainless steel countertop is one of its biggest advantages, giving you a durable, heat-resistant surface that's easy to clean after preparing meals, baking, or handling messy ingredients. 2 spacious drawers keep utensils and kitchen tools neatly organized, while the double-door cabinets provide plenty of room for pots, pans, mixing bowls, or small appliances. On the sides, you'll also find a built-in spice rack and towel bar, making the items you reach for most always within arm's length. Smooth casters let you move it around the kitchen whenever needed, then lock securely for added stability while you work. It isn't the largest island in this ranking, but its reliable construction, functional layout, and proven design make it an excellent all-around choice that comfortably earns the number 4 position. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3 is this Hubro Mobile Kitchen Island, and one feature immediately sets it apart from many budget-friendly alternatives: the built-in power outlet. That means you can plug in a coffee maker, blender, air fryer, or mixer right on the island without running extension cords across your kitchen, making meal prep much more convenient. Beyond that, it offers a well-balanced combination of storage with a roomy drawer for utensils, a spacious cabinet for larger cookware, and open-side shelves that are perfect for keeping oils, spices, or pantry essentials within easy reach. The compact footprint also makes it a smart choice for smaller kitchens, where adding storage without taking over the room is a priority. Thanks to the smooth rolling casters, you can move it wherever extra workspace is needed and lock it securely when you're cooking. While it isn't the biggest island in this ranking, the addition of integrated power and its highly practical layout make it one of the best value picks available today, earning a well-deserved number 3 spot. Just missing out on the top spot is this Ironk Mobile Kitchen Island, a model that strikes an excellent balance between simplicity, quality, and everyday practicality. It doesn't rely on flashy extras, but instead focuses on the features most people actually use. The wide countertop provides a comfortable space for chopping ingredients, preparing meals, or serving food, while the large drawer keeps utensils and cooking tools neatly organized and easy to grab. Behind the double doors, you'll find generous cabinet space that works well for storing pots, pans, small appliances, or pantry essentials, helping keep your kitchen looking clean and clutter-free. On the outside, a towel bar and side spice rack add even more convenience without increasing the overall footprint, making the most of every inch. Smooth rolling wheels allow you to move it effortlessly whenever you need extra workspace, and the locking casters keep it stable while you're cooking. It may not include premium features like a stainless steel top or built-in outlets, but its attractive design, dependable storage, and outstanding value make it a fantastic choice that easily earns the number 2 position. Claiming the number 1 spot is this Homestyles Mobile Kitchen Island, a model that does an outstanding job of combining premium looks with everyday functionality. From the moment you see it, the furniture quality finish gives it a more refined appearance than many budget-friendly alternatives, making it feel like a permanent part of your kitchen rather than an extra storage cart. The solid wood top provides a spacious and durable work surface, while the drop leaf instantly expands your prep area or creates a comfortable breakfast bar whenever you need additional seating. Storage is equally impressive, with 3 drawers for utensils and smaller accessories, a large cabinet that easily holds cookware or appliances, and thoughtful extras like a towel bar and convenient side shelf. Smooth rolling casters let you move it wherever it's needed, then lock securely for a stable workspace. While it does come at a slightly higher price than some of the other options on this list, the superior build quality, elegant design, generous storage, and versatile drop leaf feature make it feel like a long-term investment rather than a simple kitchen accessory. If you're looking for the best overall balance of style, practicality, and lasting value, this is the Mobile Kitchen Island that's easiest to recommend.